In this video, I'm going to explain you how TikTok reposts feature works and can you see your reposts on TikTok or not. If you got some video and you want to share it with your friends, you can hit at share button and there hit at repost. It says that video is reposted, and also you can add there some of your thoughts, and after that, if you hit at your profile, you can hit at your videos, on private videos, on bookmarked or liked videos. You are not able to find your reposted videos in here. All this feature do is just send this video to your followers feed. So if you hit at repost, this video will be shown to your friends, and that's it. That's how this feature works in 2022. So the answer on question if you can see your reposts on TikTok is no. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.